Good morning, darlings. Before I do the poem today, first a little PSA. You never know out there who's having a rough go, and who's having a bad day, and who's feeling down or low or self-conscious. So be kind to everybody. And if you're watching this, I hope you realize that you are beautiful, and you are loved, and you are so vitally important to the fabric of this entire place. If you were not here, all things would be different. Please remember that. Typewriter Series 443 today. Here's your very wee paper. It is super tiny. I was actually talking about this poem to my friend Hope not too long ago. So it's funny that it surfaced. So if you're watching Hope, this is the one I was talking about. It's about a butterfly. You would never know by watching her dance that deep inside she knows she will not survive the month. It's a sad one. But yeah, butterflies usually live about 30 days, give or take. But that never stops them from fluttering and floating and flying and being friggin' gorgeous. I love you a lot. Have a cool day. And just be kind. See you tomorrow.